day to all the dear students. Chapter 10 Reflection. I think you must be enjoying this chapter. Part 3 is there. Now in this part I have explained you more questions of exercise 10b, graphical and non-graphical both. So please understand it carefully. Question number 4, exercise 10b. So in this question students, we have a point PAB reflected in y-axis 2p dash minus 3 5. So we have to write here values of a and b. Now we all know that when it changes to y-axis, by that time only the x coordinate sign change. So here x coordinate means minus 3. So its original value a must be 3 when we change the sign, and b value, the y coordinate will remain as it is. So y coordinate is 5, it remains as it is, only the x coordinate changes. Further, the question is that write down the values of a and b, and p dash is the image of p. So again p ab values now I come to know 3 5, and its image is p double dash under reflection reflected in the x-axis. So this is our x-axis, you can see. So p 3 5 in x-axis is changed to p double dash. So what is the changes in the coordinates? You see, when under x-axis y coordinate sign change. So y coordinate changes to minus 5 and x coordinate remain as it is. So it is 3 minus 5. So this is the p double dash value image. Write down the coordinates of p double dash. So here is the answer here, that p double dash 3 minus 5. Find the coordinates of p triple dash when p is reflected in the line parallel to x-axis such that its equation is y is equal to minus 3. So here I want p triple dash values, and it is reflected p 3 5 under which line? Y is equal to minus 3. So in the last video students, I explained you one theory in which when we want the coordinates of the p triple dash under y is equal to minus 3, at that time we have that 3 and 5 means, you see, we want 2, this is your y is equal to b. Actually in the theory it is y is equal to b. So now 2b minus y. We want p 3 5 which is reflected under y is equal to minus 3. So I have written here y is equal to b, and p triple dash value x 2b minus y, which I have already explained to you in the last video theory. So now what is the b value? Minus 3. So I write x coordinate 3 as it is, 2, b is minus 3 and minus y is 5 here. So I write as it is. So we get after calculation 3 2s are minus 6 minus 5, that is 3 minus 11, which are the coordinate of p triple dash. So now this is our question 4. We get 3 answers students, you can see. First is under y-axis of point P reflected, so that is p dash minus 3 5. Another is the whatever the a and b values we found already. This is the answer actually, a3 and b5, which I have already substituted. So p 3 5 under reflection in x-axis I get p double dash 3 minus 5, and then you see y is equal to b, that is the line you are given in which the point P is reflected to p triple dash, and so I have used my value x to b minus y, and b is minus 3. Substituting here we get p triple dash value 3 minus 11. So this way student, question number 4 we can solve very easily. Students, let us take question number 5, and for it I am using graph paper. You can see this is the axis I have already written, x and y axis. Now this is the origin I am drawing here, O, You see the question number 5, in which it is written use 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. So we will use 1 centimeter. It means here on the positive side of origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the other side you can write -1, -2, -3. Similarly, upside also positive numbers, and downside negative numbers. Now it is written plot the point P, which is 2 minus 4. It means 2 minus 4 here. This is the point P. We can write as 2 minus 4. Now after this, students, the question is that P dash is the image of P when reflected in AB. So AB is the line parallel to x-axis and is at the distance 1 centimeter on the positive side of y-axis. It means line y is equal to 1. Parallel to x-axis means it can be like this, and the distance is 1 on the positive side. It means it passes through this 1. So let me draw now using scale. So now as you can see here, I have drawn line AB here, which is parallel to x-axis and which is passes through positive side 1. It means the line is y is equal to 1. Now we want the reflection of the point of P2 minus 4 in this line y is equal to 1. So students, it is very easy as our basic idea. You can see now this is P2 minus 4. How much is the distance here from this line? This is 4 and this is 5. So it means upside also we need 5 centimeter. So I have to extend these numbers first as. Now here this is 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. This is the reflection of the point P, which is P dash, and its coordinates are 2, 6. You can see the reflection of the point P under this y is equal to 1. Now read more the question 3, that P double dash is the image of P dash when reflected in the line LM, which is parallel to y-axis and at the distance of 1 on the negative side of the x-axis. Means this is the -1 and it is parallel to y-axis, means it line passes here only. So we have to draw the line which is x equal to -1. So now you can see I have drawn here line LM, which is on the negative side of the y-axis and it is parallel to y-axis and whose name is x equal to -1. Now students, we need to reflect this point P dash under this line LM. So how much is the distance from this? Here you have to just check. This is 2 and 1, 3. So on the other side also, here I need 3. 1, 2 and 3 centimeters. So this is the point which is P double dash and which is the reflection of the P dash under line LM. So what are the coordinates of it? You have to check first x coordinate. It is -4 and this is 6. So here I can write -4, 6, which are the coordinates of P double dash. So this way students, you can see our 3 of the points. First is P plotting, then P dash reflection under y is equal to 1 and P double dash which is reflection under line LM, which is x equal to -1. So this way students, you can solve in the graph paper any of the question, and it is already written that use the graph paper to solve the question. Now taking another question of graph, question number 8. See students, use the graph paper to plot the triangle ABC. Here we have to construct triangle ABC whose coordinates A is 1, 2, B 3, 4 and C 6, 1. So first of all we have to plot this point. So you can see I have already drawn x and y axis and according coordinates or grids I have written already. 1, 2. This is 1, 2, point A. Always try to write point and its coordinates together. B, 3, 4. 3, 4. This is B, 3, 4. And the other is C, 6, 1. Here. So C, 6, 1. Now we have to join these 3 points ABC. So we will get a triangle ABC. So now using scale, I'll join them. ABC. So now you can see I have joined ABC and I get the triangle ABC. Now the first question here, the image ABC of the triangle ABC under reflection in the origin O0, 0. So now students, we have to reflect these points ABC under origin. So already I explained you that whenever it is origin, its coordinates sign changes. So first A point, here it will lie -1, -2. Then B is -3, -4. Here is the B. And C is -6, -1. So it will lie here C point. Okay. So these are the A dash, B dash and C dash. A dash, B dash and C dash. Always try to give another name when you reflect the points A, B, C here. So the reflection A dash, B dash and C dash. Now I join this point using scale. Now you can see A dash, B dash, C dash, another triangle I found. Next, second question is the image of triangle ABC under reflection in the origin, the image of the triangle ABC under reflection in the y-axis followed by a reflection in the x-axis. It means first we have to reflect under x-axis and then under y-axis. So students, under x-axis, so like this is the x-axis. It means this is our mirror line. So point A, 2 cm downside. Here is the point. This is, I write point. Suppose some other name we should give A double dash. And this B point, here we get 3 -4 and this is 6 -1 here. C double dash and this is B double dash. So this is under x-axis and now followed it under y-axis. Okay, so whenever it is written y-axis followed by x-axis means first we have to reflect it in x-axis and then in y-axis. Okay, so now I have reflected it under x-axis. You can see as A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Now this points reflection under y-axis is here already, which is A dash, B dash, C dash. So students, this is the already the reflection of this under x-axis followed by y-axis, or whatever given in the question it is given in the y-axis followed by x-axis, means first under x-axis and then in y-axis we get the same figure which I found by reflecting in origin. Okay, so compare your results for 1 and 2 above and make a statement connecting the results. So what is the statement we have to write? That this both the reflections are same figure only, which are first is reflection in origin and the second is that reflection in the y-axis followed by x-axis. Question number 9. On the graph paper, taking 1 centimeter, 1 unit, plot the triangle ABC whose vertices are at point A, 3, 1. This is point A, 3, 1. Point B, 5, 0. This is our point B, 5, 0. And C, 7, 4. So point C is here, 7, 4. Now, it is given that on the same diagram, draw the image of triangle ABC under reflection in the line x equal to 2. Line x equal to 2 means it is parallel to y-axis and it is passes through 2. So now let us join this ABC triangle first. Now you can see that triangle ABC is joined. X equal to 2 line, which is always parallel to y-axis, is drawn. Now we have to reflect this ABC points under this line x equal to 2. So you have to check the distance from this line, that is A dash, here you can draw. Then B dash, this is 1, 2, 3 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3 centimeter here. B dash will be there. And C dash 5 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. It means here C dash. So this way A dash, B dash, C dash, 3 of the points are located. You check again it is correct or not. Right. Now we can join these points also, A dash, B dash, C dash point, to get our new triangle which is reflected in x equal to 2 line. Also the question is there, mark I the point invariant under this reflection. Which is the point which is invariant? Invariant means the point which is not get any reflection or under x-axis. So here students, I have joined A dash, B dash, C dash point to get triangle A dash, B dash, C dash under reflection in line x equal to 2. And you are asked one more question, that mark the point I which is invariant under this reflection. So here this is our line x equal to 2, which is our mirror line or reflection line. So which is the point on this line which is not reflected anymore? So that is I point here 2, 0. Coordinates are 2, 0. Which point we cannot reflect under this line x equal to 2 as a mirror line? So I have marked here I is equal to I, the point are 2, 0. So we have completed here question number 9. So now students, let us take exercise 10b, question number 6. In this question, a point P is reflected in the x-axis. Coordinates of its image are 8 minus 6. So this is the image of the point P, which is P dash, whose coordinates are given 8 minus 6. And the point P is reflected in x-axis. It is already given in the question. So now you have to find the coordinates of P. So you see that whenever it is under reflected in x-axis, the y-coordinate sign changes. So the y-coordinate changes to 6 and x-coordinate remain as it is. So this is the first answer of your question. Find the coordinates of point P. Second is find the coordinates of the image of P under the reflection in the y-axis. So here this is the image of P, 8 minus 6 P dash, and we want to find the coordinates of the image P under reflection in y-axis. So let us take P double dash. So now we want to find the coordinates of this in y-axis. So whenever it is reflection in y-axis, the x-coordinate sign changes. So minus 8, y-coordinate remain as it is, minus 6. So this is your answer number 2. So this is question number 6 completed. Now question number 7 of the exercise 10b. The image of the point 1, 5 when reflected in a line LM is 9, 5. So here this is the point 1, 5 which is reflected in some line. Then it is 9, 5. We get the coordinates as 9, 5. So write down the equation of the line LM. What is the line LM that we want to find out here? Now student, in question number 7, as I told you, this 1, 5 point is reflected under line LM. To get 9, 5 as reflected point, we want LM equation of the line. So now here student, you have to observe that y coordinate remains as it is. There is no change in the y coordinate. Only the x coordinate changes to 1 to 9. It means our equation of line will be x equal to only. And you see that x coordinate changes means line is parallel to y-axis and it will passes through 5 only. So we write x equal to 5 here. This is our equation of the line LN. So I write here equation of line, equation of LN. This is our x equal to 5. Now question number 10, exercise 10b. In this question we are given coordinates of B and C points. Coordinates of B are 3, 2 and coordinates of C are 0, 3. These are the coordinates given to us in the textbook. Question number 10. Find first the image of the point B, that is B dash of B under the reflection in x-axis. So means we want to reflect the point B under x-axis to the point B dash. Okay. So we want to find the coordinates of B dash here now. So whenever it is under x-axis reflection, the y coordinate sign changes. So here it will come 2, 2, minus 2 and the x coordinate remain as it is. So I write as 3 only. Now the second question of question number 10. That is given the image C dash of C under reflection in the line B, B dash. So students, this is the point C, 0, 3 under line B, B dash. What is the coordinates of these points that we want to find out? Now to solve this part, second part students, let me draw roughly the graph page, how we can write it as B is 3, 2. So it must be somewhere here B 3, 2. Right, this is our 3, 2, 1, 0 and this B dash point is 3 minus 2. It means it lies here 3 minus 2. Right. So this is our line B, B dash. Okay, this is B, B dash line and the point C 0, 3. 0, 3 here only. It lies 0, 3 here. So where it will reflect under this line. This 3 centimeter distance from here. It means 3 centimeter distance from this side also. So 1, 2, 3 here. This is 4, 5, 6. So now this is your point here. This is 6, 3 actually. 6, 3. So the coordinates are 6, 3 of C dash point which is reflected in line B, B dash. You can see here this is B, B dash line. I have written coordinates the point 0, 3 which is point C here. Okay, which is reflected to C dash and its coordinates are 6, 3. The distance you have to check 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 centimeter distance and y coordinate will not change and it is parallel to y axis. Okay, the second answer also found. Third is calculate the length of B, B dash. So here B dash C dash. We want to find the length of B dash C dash using distance formula. So now we have to just take these two coordinates. For that students take x2 minus x1 means I take 3 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. This is our distance formula which I have already explained you in coordinate geometry. 3 plus 2 square, 2 square. So this is 5 square plus 2 square, 25 plus 4 which is 29 units. So this is how we get our B dash C dash length. So this is answer number 10 we have solved. It is 34 we get answer. So how it is not like this. You see 3 minus 2 whole square and 6 minus 3 is 3 here. So this is the mistake. You see 3 square actually and 3 square is 9. So by adding them I get square root 34. So you also take care by solving this type of questions.